The number one collagen food to eat before sleep for skin elasticity and deep rest. Do you know you could actually smooth your skin, firm your face, and sleep more deeply, all by eating one simple food before bed? While most people rely on serums or supplements, the secret to true overnight renewal might already be in your kitchen. Forget gimmicks. Science now shows that the right bedtime snack can increase collagen production by up to 30% while helping your nervous system unwind. In this guide, you'll discover the number one collagen-rich food to eat before sleep, along with 2 other nourishing allies that work gently through the night to restore your skin and your rest from the inside out. If you're ready to glow while you sleep, comment "Restore" below and let us know where you're tuning in from. Your bedtime ritual might just inspire someone else. Food number 1. Cooked oats. If you're dealing with tired-looking skin, puffiness, or uneven tone in the morning, the issue may not be your skincare routine, it might be your sleep quality. Poor rest weakens collagen formation, and without deep sleep, the skin doesn't fully recover from daily stressors. One of the simplest foods to support both sleep and skin is cooked oats. This familiar grain does far more than fill you up. It contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps the body produce serotonin and, in turn, melatonin. Melatonin not only deepens sleep, it also supports collagen renewal and protects skin cells from oxidative stress. Oats are also rich in complex carbs and magnesium, both of which help calm the nervous system and balance blood sugar before bed. This can reduce nighttime cortisol spikes, which are known to break down collagen and disrupt rest. Unfortunately, many people turn to overly sweetened instant oat packets or eat oats too late at night. These processed versions are high in sugar, which raises blood glucose, disrupts hormones, and interferes with melatonin release. To get the full benefit, choose steel-cut or old-fashioned rolled oats, cooked with water or unsweetened almond milk. Add a pinch of cinnamon for flavor and anti-inflammatory benefits. Eat the oats 30 to 45 minutes before bed, and keep your environment low stimulus. Soft lights, quiet music, no screens. With consistent use, this small, comforting ritual can help regulate your sleep-wake cycle, support overnight skin repair, and leave your face looking smoother and more rested by morning. Next, we'll explore one of nature's smallest superfoods, chia seeds, and how they hydrate, heal, and protect your skin from the inside out. Food number 2. Chia seeds. If you've ever woken up with dry, tight skin, no matter how much water you drank the day before, it could be a sign your body isn't absorbing or holding moisture well. Often, this issue is tied not just to hydration, but to gut imbalances that limit your ability to absorb nutrients critical for collagen and skin health. This is where chia seeds come in. These tiny, unassuming seeds become powerful allies when soaked, forming a gel-like texture that works wonders for your digestive system, and by extension, your skin. Chia seeds are rich in plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, which helps calm inflammation, reduce skin redness, and support the lipid barrier that keeps moisture locked in. They're also packed with soluble fiber, which slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and feeds beneficial gut bacteria. This matters more than you might think. When your gut is inflamed or unbalanced, it can't efficiently absorb collagen-building nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, or amino acids. Chia seeds help repair and regulate the gut lining, allowing the rest of your nutrition to do its job. One common mistake is eating dry chia seeds, which can absorb liquid in your stomach and cause discomfort, or relying on sugary chia puddings that spike blood sugar before sleep, disrupting melatonin production and impairing overnight repair. To gain the full benefit, use 2 tablespoons of chia seeds soaked in almond or coconut milk, left in the refrigerator for several hours or overnight. Add a pinch of cinnamon or a drop of vanilla extract for flavor and blood sugar support. Eat it 1 to 2 hours before bed in a calm, quiet setting. Regular use helps the skin stay plump, hydrated, and even-toned, while also improving digestion and morning energy levels. It's a simple, satisfying way to nourish your body, especially when your day is winding down. If oats and chia support hydration and inner calm, our next food dives even deeper into inflammation control, gut repair, and the hidden root of collagen breakdown. Let's explore the restorative power of stewed apples. Food number 3. Stewed apples. Sometimes the issue with skin isn't just dryness or fine lines, it's deeper. Inflamed, reactive skin, dark undereyes, or persistent bloating may actually stem from the gut, where collagen loss and systemic inflammation often begin. If your digestive lining is compromised, what's commonly called leaky gut, toxins can enter the bloodstream, triggering an immune response that damages skin cells and weakens the collagen matrix. One of the most effective, gentle remedies for this is also one of the most overlooked: stewed apples. When apples are cooked slowly, their naturally high pectin content transforms into a powerful prebiotic that nourishes gut bacteria and helps heal the intestinal lining. This promotes better nutrient absorption, reduces systemic inflammation, and creates a calm internal environment, allowing collagen to form and skin to repair. A study from the University of Michigan confirmed that apple pectin can reduce endotoxin levels in the bloodstream and improve intestinal barrier function, both of which are crucial for healthy, youthful-looking skin. Yet many people miss these benefits by eating apples raw, late at night. While raw apples are nutritious, their high fiber content can be too rough on the digestive system before bed, especially for sensitive individuals. Others may stew apples but add sugar or syrup, turning a healing ritual into a source of glycation and collagen breakdown. The right way to enjoy stewed apples before bed is simple. Peel and chop one apple, then simmer gently in a small amount of water with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a pinch of sea salt. No sweeteners. Cook for about 10 minutes, until soft and aromatic. Eat them warm and slowly, about 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. This soothing, grounding ritual not only eases digestion but can visibly calm the skin within days, reducing puffiness, redness, and reactivity. It's an act of care, not just for your face, but for your entire inner terrain. Now that we've reset the gut and softened inflammation, let's turn to a food that remineralizes the body and supports collagen from deep within. Something ancient, comforting, and rich in the nutrients your skin craves. Warm, collagen-rich broth or a vegan alternative. Food number 4. Bone broth or vegan collagen-rich soup. As we age, the signs of nutrient depletion, dry skin, brittle hair, slower healing, can become harder to ignore. These aren't just surface issues. They often point to a deeper lack of collagen-building amino acids, which the body no longer produces in abundance. That's why including a nutrient-rich, easily digestible evening broth or soup can be a game-changer for skin health. Bone broth, when made properly, is rich in glycine, proline, and glutamine, 3 amino acids essential for collagen fiber regeneration, skin elasticity, and tissue repair. These nutrients support the structural integrity of the skin, joints, and even the gut lining, making bone broth a deeply restorative nighttime option. If you follow a plant-based lifestyle, don't worry. A vegan collagen-supporting soup made from seaweed, like wakame, miso, mushrooms, and mineral-rich vegetables can offer many similar benefits, especially when consumed regularly. Seaweeds contain sulfur compounds and minerals that promote skin healing and elasticity, while miso and mushrooms support gut health and immunity. Scientific research shows that glycine from bone broth enhances sleep by lowering core body temperature and calming the nervous system. It also contributes directly to collagen cross-linking in skin and connective tissue. Similarly, plant-based alternatives can be warming, anti-inflammatory, and rich in prebiotic and antioxidant compounds that support nighttime regeneration. But here's where many go wrong, relying on store-bought broths or powdered soups that contain added sodium, preservatives, and flavor enhancers. These additives can spike cortisol, disturb digestion, and undo the benefits you're aiming for. To maximize results, use homemade or clean label broths, ideally slow simmered for at least 6 to 8 hours, for bone broth, or gently steeped with seaweed and mushrooms, for vegan options. Drink it warm, 1 hour before bed, in a quiet setting. It's less a snack, more a ritual. One that hydrates, mineralizes, and prepares your body for deep cellular repair. Finally, for those who crave a sweet bite before bed, but without the sugar spike, our last food delivers comfort, collagen protection, and sleep support in one powerful package. Food number 5. Pumpkin seeds. You might not think much of them, but a handful of pumpkin seeds could be the missing piece in your collagen and sleep support plan. especially if you're dealing with thinning skin, slow healing, or signs of oxidative stress. These symptoms are often rooted in subtle nutrient deficiencies, particularly in zinc. Zinc plays a critical role in skin health. It supports the activity of fibroblasts, the cells responsible for collagen production and cross-linking, giving skin its firmness and bounce. Zinc also assists with wound healing and helps protect skin from free radical damage. And yet, many adults, especially older ones, aren't getting enough. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are one of the richest plant-based sources of zinc. They're also high in vitamin E, which supports the skin barrier and helps prevent collagen breakdown due to environmental stress. As a bonus, they contain tryptophan, just like oats, which supports serotonin and melatonin production for restful sleep. But don't confuse these benefits with what's found in most commercial trail mixes. The common mistake is eating heavily salted, oil-roasted pumpkin seeds or combining them with sugary dried fruit. This adds inflammatory fats and excess sodium, counterproductive for both sleep and skin. For best results, enjoy 1 tablespoon of raw or dry roasted pumpkin seeds, either on their own or sprinkled into a small bowl of oats or chia pudding. Chew them slowly, ideally about an hour before bed. This mindful ritual allows the zinc and antioxidants to absorb fully, while the magnesium in the seeds also helps calm your muscles and prepare you for rest. These seeds may be small, but they support collagen integrity, skin hydration, and stress resilience in a way that's deeply restorative. Each of these foods supports a different pillar of skin and sleep, from gut healing to amino acid delivery. But used together, they become a soothing, nutrient-rich nighttime ritual your skin will thank you for. Why nighttime nutrition matters for skin and sleep. We've long heard that eating before bed should be avoided. But new science suggests that certain nighttime foods can actually enhance skin repair and improve sleep quality, especially when they deliver the nutrients your body uses during its most regenerative state, deep sleep. Contrary to popular belief, not all late-night eating is harmful. In fact, when done right, it can support collagen production, lower stress, and calm the nervous system. A recent study from the University of Colorado found that eating amino acid-rich foods before sleep can increase overnight collagen synthesis by up to 30%. That's a remarkable number, especially for those in midlife or beyond, when natural collagen production declines and sleep becomes more fragmented. When your body rests deeply, it repairs itself. The gut, skin, brain, and connective tissues all regenerate. Choosing the right foods at night helps ensure that this internal repair process runs smoothly, supporting firmer skin, fewer wrinkles, better hydration, and a calmer, healthier nervous system. What you eat before bed isn't just about managing hunger. It's a quiet, powerful way to support beauty, longevity, and deep internal healing. These 5 foods, oats, chia seeds, stewed apples, nourishing broth or soup, and pumpkin seeds, each play a unique role in the nighttime repair process. They calm inflammation, restore nutrient balance, heal the gut, and supply the amino acids and minerals your skin needs to stay firm, smooth, and hydrated. And they do this while also helping you sleep better, because collagen isn't formed when your body is tense or depleted. It's built in moments of deep rest, when your nervous system softens and your cells get to work quietly behind the scenes. You don't need to overhaul your entire routine. You don't need to get it perfect. The real power lies in consistency, simplicity, and small, loving decisions made each evening. A warm bowl of oats, a spoonful of chia pudding, a few bites of stewed apple, it all adds up. And your skin, your sleep, and your spirit will feel the difference. So now, ask yourself, are you ready to build your glow from the inside out, one calm night at a time? If the answer is yes, drop a comment below with the word restore or soft. Let it be your quiet commitment to your own healing, and maybe the gentle nudge someone else needs to begin theirs too.